All right, things have been crazy. I've been staying busy. Started editing this video. Turns out you guys hated it.
We are in Indianapolis today. It's a beautiful day out, actually. It's not super hot, so I'm feeling pretty good. Now, I have to pick up some paperwork from one location, and then we have to go to another location for a rehearsal. That's not a standard thing to do for me on a Monday. Usually I force myself to take Mondays off, but they gave me a late notice. They literally told me yesterday, at a Sunday service that they were having rehearsal tonight, so I couldn't exactly just say no or, make any plays to try and rearrange that. So I'm on the interstate today racing to get some paperwork and head to this rehearsal. I say racing because I did not realize the time that this building closed. So we got to go get this paperwork. I also have some wireless to install today. Let's race and do this. I could quite possibly run out of gas trying to get to this location to get this paperwork before they close. So let's see how that goes. I'm definitely not gonna make it. This sucks. I'm probably not gonna make it in time. They're probably gonna close. Gonna try to do a fast pit stop. Here we go. Yeah, so of course all the pumps are broken and the card reader doesn't work, and yeah. I'm so screwed. $5:28. Closest 5:30. I don't know if we're making this one, boys. I don't know if we're gonna make it to this one. Oh no. Semi in that lane. Come on, let's go. Good news, I freaking made it. I had a little bit of time to spare, surprisingly. I don't know how that happened. Yeah, I don't know how that happened. Now it's off to a rehearsal. We've got some SLX-D microphones to unbox and install. If you want it. Anybody else want some? They doubled up. They were like, you got 2 mics. You can have 2 bags.
Just passing out the Sweetwater candy. We got lucky. We got 2 bags today.
saxophone player? I was about to say, is this the same? Is this the same guy that had some tracks and then he brought? Got you. Um.
Yeah, so it's been a while since I have been to this location, and especially been mixing out front, actually. This is just rehearsal. I won't be here on Sunday. I will be the monitor tech, so it's getting my feet wet again here. I haven't been on one of these Soundcrafts in quite a while, so being able to play around at front of house is an easy way to kind of get my feet wet here again. All right, fun night of new microphones, playing on the VIs. Everything went well inside today. I need to get back. I need to get some sleep because we're doing it all again tomorrow.